Indonesia is an archipelagic country located in the West Pacific. This makes Indonesia plate undergo a process of subduction between the Eurasian plate and the Australian plate. This process will produce epirogenesis and the orogenesis movements. The epirogenesis movement is the process of rising the surface of the Earth in a relatively long time. Meanwhile, the orogenesis movement is a relatively short tectonic plate movement. The orogenesis movement generally produces faults and faults. One of the famous faults is Coban Rondo. Coban Rondo is a nature tourist in the form of waterfalls. Located in Fujian District, Malang Regency, East Java, Coban Rondo has a height of 1,135 meters above the sea level. With the fresh air, the attraction that Coban Rondo has, not only from its natural tourism, but also culinary and the attraction of the game. In addition, the river in Coban Rondo area is the Yongstadia River and has a type of dendritic flow. In front of that, the locality of Coban Rondo dominated by pine trees. Then, how was Coban Rondo formed?
So, the history of the formation of Coban Rondo is when the existence of the orogenesis movement in the form of a fault, the causes vertical fault, the form of land produced in the form of cliff. After that, due to hanger cliffs downstream of the river. So, the flow of the river that falls to the bottom also increases in speed. The increase in speed adds pressure to the rock blocks and the base of the waterfall. The movement erodes, wraps, and breaks various rock and hard soil. That process is then a landscape in the form of waterfall. The waterfall in Coban Rondo has a total height of 84 meters from Cimoro-Dudong, the slope of Mount Kawi, with a 115 liter discharge per second in the rainy season and 90 liter per second in dry season.